Hey guys, it's Cyber Warrior. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Fastboot on your Mac computer in order to unlock the bootloader of the Google Nexus 10 tablet. Okay, let's begin. First, we're going to head on over to AndroidCentral.com forums. Scroll down to Google Nexus 10 tablet forum. Nexus 10 rooting ROMs and hacks. We're going to go to the sticky How to Unlock Relock Nexus 10 Bootloader, where you'll find the guide. Before we begin, our requirements are going to be Fastboot and the Android SDK. Since I'm using a Macintosh computer, I'm going to be using the Download Fastboot for Mac. And you'll see it downloading on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Click on it. There it is. Fastboot Mac, fastbootmac.zip. Alright, let's go back and grab the SDK. Download SDK. Alright, this is developer.android.com. And we're going to do the download the SDK ADT bundle for Mac. Click on it, download. Terms and conditions. Accepting this license and agreement. SDK license from Google. Use of the SDK by you. Okay. I have read and agreed with the above terms and conditions. Download the SDK. And there it is downloading on the bottom. We have about 1 minute, so while that's downloading, let's grab our Nexus 10 tablets and get that ready. Okay. On your Nexus 10 tablet, we're going to go into Settings, and we're going to enable USB debugging. So go into Settings, and on the left hand side you'll notice that Developer Options is missing because Google has hidden this feature. In order to get it back, we're going to go to About Tablet, and you're going to tap on build number 7 times. 1, 2, 3. You are now 4 steps away. Keep going. 3 steps. 2 steps, 1. Okay. Developer Options is now available to us. So click on Developer Options. And now we can enable USB debugging, which is right there. Turn that on. Allow USB debugging. Okay. You'll notice there's other developer options in the menu. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. So let's go and power off the tablet. Power off. And we're going to shut it down. Okay. Once the tablet is powered off, we're going to restart it into Fastboot mode. In order to do that, you're going to have to hold down the power button and both volume buttons at the same time. Hold all 3 until the tablet starts up and you see this screen. This is the Fastboot screen. You'll notice that the lock state is locked. What we're going to do right now is unlock it. Okay, so let's go back and check on our file that was downloading. Alright, now that that has finished downloading, ADT Bundle Mac, click on that, and it's extracting. Let it extract. Okay. Alright, there it is. It's extracted to my downloads folder. There's the Fastboot Mac from before. There's your ADT Bundle Mac. There's your SDK folder. And extras, platform tools, platforms, system images, tools. We're going to be using the platform tools folder. And you'll see there's already a Fastboot file in there, but for this purpose, just in case it wasn't there, we're going to be dragging the Fastboot Mac file that we downloaded earlier into the platform tools folder. Okay, so grab Fastboot Mac and drag it into the SDK folder, and it's got to go into the platform tools folder and just drop it anywhere in there. Alright, there it is, Fastboot Mac. Alright, now we're going to be taking the SDK folder and dragging that to the root of my hard drive, just so it's easier for me to find later when I'm using Fastboot. Mac HD, and drop it. It can't be modified. I just need to authenticate this. Enter my password. Okay. Alright, now so the SDK is on the root of my hard drive, platform tools, and there it is, Fastboot Mac. Alright, now we're going to be using terminal. Let's go to applications, and we're going to go to utilities and open up terminal. Alright, to make things easier, let's go back to the Fastboot file that you just downloaded so we can grab the path for it. So we're going to go back to where I just dropped it, the Mac HD, your SDK folder. It's inside of the Platform Tools folder, and there it is, Fastboot Mac. I'm going to right click on the Fastboot Mac, and we're going to go to Get Info, and that is my path for it. /SDK/platform-tools. I'm going to highlight that, right click, copy. So now it'll be easier for me later on when I have to enter it into terminal. Alright, I'm just going to expand terminal so you can see better. Alright, we're going to be doing CD and then paste what you just copied. /SDK platform tools, and it's now recognized as we're in the platform tools folder. Next, we're going to check to make sure our Nexus 10 is recognized by terminal Fastboot. So we're going to put ./Fastboot devices, and that'll show us if our device is recognized or not. And there it is, that's the serial number. Okay, so that's a good thing. Alright, so now that we know our Nexus 10 is being recognized, we're going to enter our unlock command, and it's going to be /Fastboot OEM unlock. And as soon as you hit enter, your Nexus 10 should be showing a screen asking if you would like to unlock the bootloader. To highlight the yes, you're going to use the volume keys. Volume up will highlight yes, and to select it, you're going to use the power button. So hit power, and there you have it. You now have an unlocked Nexus 10 tablet. If you look at the lock state, it says unlocked. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any further questions, you can hit me up in the forums.